Okay, Munchkin dog. Rocky! Sit. Oh, come on. Sit. Hey!
Come on, let's go.
Sit. Sit. Princess, sit. 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 Okay, goofy dogs. Goofy dogs. Hi, Rocky. Hi, Princess. Okay, we're gonna do carpets tonight. Even though we did the tree today, let's go. Well, hey there, kitties. We're back again. Getting ready for the carpet job. Clean the carpets. The big guys are vacuuming. And we'll be cleaning before you know it. Anyway, catch you later. Now we get the lovely fun of pre-spraying. Yay! Especially since... Yay for the pre-spray. Why doesn't it keep when the tip up right correctly? Oh yeah, so much fun. Lobbyist, aka the carpet scrubber. That thing will hurt you quickly if you're not careful.